Right, this is a Jolly Roger Stan Thomas kiddie ride. I'll put this again because they moved it. Where he was before. They actually moved it next to accelerator, by the way.
Thank you. Please be careful, that's a coin.
I'm going to be holding the star bar, by the way. The last time I came here was at
Please be careful,
Nicktunes.
that's a coin.
Give one of the Big Thomas is still not here yet. Bit annoying, really.
Please be careful, that's a coin.
Surprised it does take 2p still, which I believe.
Please be careful, that's a coin.
Hang on a second, guys.
Please be careful, that's a coin. Thank you. Hold on tight.
There we go. Remember Jolly Roger in 2006. Give them Holland's going over track modes. I'll film them in there. I'll film them next. A bit of loud motor on this. To be actually honest, I'm going to move it a bit. Quite because it's making a bit of loud motor. Because usually when you move some rides, they don't usually make a loud motor when it wobbles. Which is very true, actually. You're talking about a loud motor problem. Yeah, there's Thomas's face there. And the whistle is missing. That's the back of it. There's no Thomas and Friends logo on the back. For some ridiculous reason. I hope this ride won't last very longer because it's making a loud motor which I can't stand. To be honest. I have to do, by the way. You'll have to start for Ben Holly next. Yeah, it's still going. I knew it. Yeah, Ben Holly and Thomas have been separated. Actually, to be honest. Yeah, that was just Jolly Roger Stan Thomas kiddie ride.